Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Rick Titus, and I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here, and I would like to take you out in the lot today to show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have the 2013 Dodge Journey Crew. It has a clean Carfax report and comes equipped with power heated side mirrors, roof rails, sunscreen glass, and much more. The 2013 Dodge Journey's flexibility and dimensions make it just right choice for an ideal family vehicle. This Journey has 19-inch chrome wheels with all-season touring tires with lots of tread left. There is also a spare tire and a tire pressure monitoring system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Journey is in great condition. It has automatic halogen quad headlamps with delay off, along with fog lights, a tinted windshield, and a really nice bright grille to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Journey has front-wheel drive and is estimated drivers receive 20 miles per gallon on the average. Let's not forget that this Journey only has 48,717 miles on it. At the back of the Journey, you can see the antenna, the spoiler, the high mount light, along with the rear wiper, the tow package, dual exhaust, large LED brake lights, and sleek chrome badging. Looking to the cargo area, you see it's very spacious and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. This cargo area also features a power outlet and cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. This Journey even has a very comfortable third-row seating option for carpooling with family and friends. Passengers in the second row will be excited to find their own climate controls overhead. They can use the fold-down armrests with cup holders and power outlets, as well as the seat back pockets. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice chrome and metal accents. Driver passengers will be very comfortable in power, adjustable, and heated leather seating. You also have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and another power outlet. This Journey is also equipped with an alarm system, a locking glove box, and a push-button start. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the headlights, the power door locks, and the power windows with front row express up and down. This Journey has a very comfortable tilting, telescoping, heated leather-wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It is also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. The center stack is home to your multimedia features and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with CD player. It's MP3 Sirius XM and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using your USB and aux port. This advanced system even has voice command. You also have dual climate controls, and everything you see is easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It is very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.